eye and ear protection's all right there. You got to go pick any open lane. When you're done with this gun, like I said, bring it back up and get you guys a different one. Alrighty? Any questions about it?
One by one, right?
Yep. The whole 10. Is it click? Do the slide release. When you're ready to shoot, you're going to pull this down. That lever right here. This lever.
Oh, this one. Oh, when I'm ready
to shoot. When you're ready to shoot, and that'll chamber around.
It'll chamber a bullet in. Around. Should we?
Alright, so.
I'm gonna keep that. Push it all the way up.
I'm gonna take.
Move your fingers, like, so the button, yeah.
You feel that button, but it pops out right there. And then the safety down when you're ready.
What?
We should go not this Saturday, next Saturday.
Yeah. Don't do that. Put that. Just put it in all the way until you feel the button. Push it. Safety down.
Yeah, mine are all right. Except for that.
Sight picture's the same, except, alright guys, this is the latch. You push the latch forward to open the cylinder. This is the cylinder if you haven't figured that out.
Yep.
All you gotta do is you open it, you put the bullets in it, close it, you either pull the trigger like that, and hold it back, and let go. What it is this is single action. It's you're pulling back the hammer. Gives you a lot lower of a trigger pull, a lot shorter, it's a lot lighter. Double action, be pulling all the way through, it's a lot longer and it's a lot harder. When you're done, all the rounds are spent, push the latch forward, open the cylinder, it's a rod right here, push that, and eject the spent shells.
So when you're done with all the bullets, what does it do? Like, does this go back?
It just won't shoot anymore.
Okay, and then and then bring this back and it stays back?
Once the bullets are all spent, you don't even have to count, just shoot.
You got this? Yeah. This is history right here.
It says. Those bullets can put you in jail for like.
Get my face so I can talk to it.
That's like about 8 years in jail right there.
8
Having
years.
that.
Motherfucker, this is life right here. In the palm of my hand.
Pull it back. You have to pull the thing back.
See how you get the whole back?
I expect that. I don't know.
This is money, yo. This is money right here. Right? I told you, he owed me $10 last week. And this is what I gotta do to him.
Yo.
Oh, Tony went crazy.
Yo, he went ham.
Oh.
Little nigga.
Lost the cat.
Chewy with the 38 special. He's about to show you how it's done.
Yeah, you know how I do.
And then just bring the trigger back.
Wait, I need to put this back. Ready? Huh?
What you think you are, nigga?
I'm gonna bring one of these.
Dang, you got this shit shaking.
About to go ahead.
Now watch out.
That Evans right there.
Oh. Right in there.
Oh! He hates it.
Yo, we just unloaded, yo. Chewy right now. Tell me to get Chewy, what do you gotta say to the camera? You know what I gotta say to the camera? Say something to me, please. Oh, let's do it.